Aikari a gicagi kia Witeithie gicigo-ini Kiambu kia Juja marayoneire thenema ya mwanya riria borithi marahuranaga na Ekuirwo eeri aria marakoretwo magiethanwo nao kwa ihinda iraya. Kuringana na aikari aya, nditimurano iyo irambiririe nyumba-ini imwe ya gukomborithia kuria Ekuirwo acio maraingirite thutha wa gukorwo mararumiriirwo ni borithi a kuuma guku Nairobi.
Mkuta tu hapa kama anapeperuka tu akitoa damu kwa bavu hapa, akashukuru akapelekwa hosi. Tulisikia alikuwa anatoka kwa duka, penye aliona askari wanapigana akakuja akaingia huku. Penye alikuwa anaingia huku ndio akashutua. Agikira horo cio mukonde, munene wa borithi kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Adiel Jagi Nyange hamwe na OCPD wa Kayole Joseph Gicagi nimarugire Ekuirwo acio mahota gukorwo ni amwe a aria matharikire borithi mwena wa Kiambu thiko ithatu hituku.
A gang of criminals, non-criminals who terrorize people within this county and Kayole were followed by the officers from Kayole because they had a lot of pressure at Kayole. They could no longer stay there. Then they moved their hideouts to Witeithie, where actually they were hiding.
Nyange ni ugite muikari ni ararigitwo thibitari-ini imwe mwena ucio thutha wa kurathwo kimahitia hindi ya nditimurano iyo.
One of the gangster who was injured entered into one of the houses of a very innocent mwananchi, and because that person did not allow the criminal to hide in that house, he was equally shot. However, he has not died, he is just injured as he has been lashed to the hospital.
Borithi ni moritie muingi unyitanire nao kuhurana na uhaguku wa ugitiri. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Waweru.